So welcome. Today we are going to dive in how to use pandas to generate data for our visualization and analysis. So this Jupyter notebook. So to start with, we create a new notebook by clicking on this. Okay, so this is a Jupyter notebook which is untitled yet, so I'm going to title it as Pandas DataFrame. Okay, so now to create the data set, so the first thing is to import the required libraries. Okay, so the first thing we are going to import is our pandas. So import pandas as pd. Then next, let's import matplotlib as .pyplot as plt. Okay, let's execute this cell. Now next we create our data. The data. So here we have data equals to so data equals to, we open our curly brackets and we create subject. That's the name of student, name of student, and the values must be a list. And so we have Ayomide Zan. So next we have Akim Olayiwola, and we have Abiodun Suwemima. Also we have Akin Alabi. Okay, we have 5 students, put a comma. Then we have their class. So let's say the first person is in JSS 1A. The next person is in JSS 1B. The next person is in JSS 2A, and the next person is in JSS 2B. So there are 4 students, yes, and we have 4 classes. Fine. Then we have maybe the subjects they are offering. So subjects, or let's say score, or age. Let's say age of each of the students. So let's say the first person is 12, second person is 10, then we have 13, then we have 14. Then let's say we also have their date of birth. So date of birth this should be having 2012 10, then next by 2012 January 9, and 2009 October. Lastly we have 2010 November 8. Okay, let's say this is the data. This is our data, and the next thing is to convert it to our data set. It was to be the data frame, and we pass in the data. So let's run this. Okay, let's display our data here. Wow, this is how to generate data for our pandas. So here is the data. We have name of student, class, age, and date of birth. So let's say we want to actually visualize this with